Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your third monitor is not working through a Dell docking station, it can quickly interrupt your setup, especially when the first two displays work fine, but the extra screen stays blank or does not get detected at all. Sometimes the monitor may briefly turn on and disappear, while in other situations the Dell docking station completely ignores the third display. This problem can happen because of display limitations, loose cables, incorrect settings, outdated drivers, or connection order issues. Since a Dell docking station depends on both the laptop graphics system and docking compatibility, even a small setup problem can stop the third monitor from showing up correctly. The good part is that many third monitor problems can be fixed with a few quick adjustments before assuming the docking station is faulty. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Dell docking station third monitor not working. Try these. Step 1. Check all cables connected to the Dell docking station and make sure the third monitor is securely connected to the Dell docking station. Step 2. Open display settings on the laptop and confirm the Dell docking station third monitor is detected by the system. Step 3. Disconnect and reconnect the third monitor to the Dell docking station to refresh the Dell docking station display connection. Step 4. Update the Dell docking station drivers and graphics settings to help the Dell docking station support multiple displays properly. Step 5. Try another display port or cable on the Dell docking station if the Dell docking station still does not show the third monitor. Step 6. Restart the laptop with the Dell docking station connected and confirm the Dell docking station third monitor works normally.